Hello, Cappuccino. Sorry, I'm still not there. This is a little helper video to help get you going in the Desmos activity that I have left for you today. Today, you're going to be learning about the Pythagorean theorem. Some of you may have seen this already in your home countries, but we're going to work through it here today. So, on the first slide, it asks you to determine the area of each square, as well as the total areas of the blue and green squares. So if we look at this picture, the blue area, this blue square has a side length of 3. Since it's a square, that means all the sides are 3 units long. So I could take this and I can break it up into 3 units. So I'm going to go across. So you can see here on the side, I have 3 units, 1, 2, 3. And then this side must also be 3 units. So I'm going to cut this in 3. Sorry, these should be equally spaced. This isn't easy to do with this tool that I have. And then area is how many squares did I break it into? So you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the blue area is actually 9. So let's see if I can get rid of this. Back to my end. There we go. So my area was 9. Well, the fast way to find the area would have been to do 3 times 3. So if we look at the green area has a length of 4, so that means the other direction is also 4. So the green area would be 4 times 4, which is 16. Now it says B and G total. That means add the 9 plus the 16. So if I add the 9 plus 16, I get 25. Then it asks for the red area. The red has a length of 5, so that means this other side is 5. So its area would be 25. And there it is. Okay, so be careful as you're working through these slides, whether they ask you for area or if they ask you for a side length. So notice these are asking you for area again, area, area, add the green and blue together, and then the red area. Again, these are all asking for area. Here, asking for area, and asking you to explain what you noticed. And then here, notice it says leg, leg, and hypotenuse. The legs are the sides of a right triangle that touch the right angle. So for example, on triangle A, the legs are the 2 short ones. They're touching the right angle. So the legs would be 3 and 4. The hypotenuse is always the longest side of a triangle. So the hypotenuse here would be 5. And then see, it'll tell you if you got it right. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in here I need to explain. So here, notice they gave you the area. So on here, you're trying to figure out the blue area, the green area, and the red area. Oh, that's it. Okay, so but notice they already gave you the area. So for the blue area on A, the blue area here is just 12. So I just have to write 12. The green area is 43. And then if you've noticed what's been happening so far, you should be able to tell me that the red area is 55. And see, I got it right. Now it's up to you to figure out, how did I get that? That is what the Pythagorean theorem is all about. Okay, now on this one, they ask you to write down the area and the side length. So for figure A here, the area is 36. But what is the side length? So the side length would be what is out here. Whoops, did I get that? I want to know how long is this side. So remember, how did we got area? We did a number times another number to get area. And since this is a square, both of these numbers, this distance here and this distance here, have to be the same. So what number times itself gives you 36? Well, that would be 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay? If you have a hard time thinking about what number times itself gives you 36, it is possible to do this on your calculator. So let's see if I can show you how to do it on the calculator. Oh, I have a different calculator here at home than you have in the classroom, but I'm going to give it an attempt. So if I wanted to know what number times itself gives me 36, what I'm asking for is the square root of 36. What is the square root of 36? On the calculator, there is a symbol. On my calculator, it's just one of my buttons. And then I type in 36 and see how I get the square root symbol. And then I hit equals, and it tells me the answer. It equals 6. On your calculator, you have a different calculator. You have to hit the second key. That's the blue key on your calculator. It's like right here. Hit the second key, and then hit the x squared key. Right above this x squared key is that little symbol. So to get it, you hit second and then x squared. You'll see on the calculator, it gives you the square root. Then you type 36 and you type equals, and it'll give you the answer of 6. Okay, so on the calculators in the classroom, hit the second key, then the x squared key. It'll give you this symbol, type in the number, and then the equal sign, and it'll tell you what number times itself gives you 36. Help each other with that. I know I can't show you because I don't have the right type of calculator here with me right now. So help each other with that. That would be great. Okay, so that should get you through this entire assignment. And I look forward to seeing you hopefully on Thursday if I can get better. Okay, take care.